Welcome back to Easy Wonders. Here I am going to explain how we can draw circles with random color, also with random position. Okay, you can see many circles with different colors are drawn here, and it kept in different locations in our screen. Okay, just a few lines of code I can show you and explain it. We can go through the code. Before that, I can show you how it is executing. Then I will explain the code. Okay, this one I am closing and running again. Python rand color.py. It's running. Okay, circles are drawn and filled with random colors. Okay, good. Okay, now I can explain the code. You can see we imported two things, that is just turtle. From turtle import star. We are importing everything from turtle, and turtle random import. From random import rand int. We are importing rand integer function, random integer function from random. Okay, just we set speed as 0, the drawing speed of this one, that we set as 0. Pen size, the size of that, the thickness of that pen, that we set as 4. Color mode 255. This one is very important. Color mode should be 255, then only we will get different colors in that 255 range. Okay, then just a for loop for I in range 150. That is, we are repeating these steps under for loop. We are repeating for 150 times. That is, we can see here 150 circles are drawn. Okay, that is, this loop is repeating for 150 times. Initially we are selecting the color, that is, we are using here color function, color rand int 05. You can see something inside that color function. Normally we are calling just color, and inside that in double brackets we will write red, blue or green, like that. Then a single color, we will get that single color, and the drawing will be happen in that color only. Okay, now in this case I chosen like this, color in brackets in comma 3 terms. That is actually the values of R, G and B, that is red, green and blue. I am giving value for red, green and blue. Okay, here I called the rand int function. This is a by default function in Python. Okay, we can call that function rand int function. Actually we are selecting a random integer between 0 and 255. If we are giving 0 and 500, we will get a random integer value from 0 to 500, like that. Actually in color mode, we know that there are values from 0 to 255, that is 256 values. So we are selecting a value for red from 0 to 255. This function will give a value 0 to 255 here, and this function, the same function rand int, here we will provide some other value between 0 and 255, like that, a random value 0 to 255 here also. Then inside this color function we will get 3 values like 0, 55, 255 or something randomly we will get. or like that 100, 200 and 150, like that randomly we will get any value, 3 values inside that color. Okay, then the color will call that color, particular color, based on that R, G and B value. Okay, so initially in that for loop we are selecting the color, then we are starting begin fill, that is that circle we need to fill color. So we are beginning filling, and then we are drawing a circle rand int. Inside circle also we are using rand int function, that is circle with different radius. We are selecting radius from 10 to 70. This function will randomly select value from 10 to 70. Any value it will take as radius. Okay, so randomly this function will draw circles with random value of its R. You can see here small circles, big circles and in different size. Okay, that is due to this random function inside this circle function. Okay, end fill, after completing that circle it will fill with the above color and it will finish. After that pen up, we are upping the pen, we are removing the pen from the paper. Okay, then go to another position. Here also we are using the rand int function for randomly choosing position of these circles. Okay, here you can see go to function. Inside that there are, actually this one is x value and this y value, x axis and y axis. We know that the position in two-dimensional space. Okay, so x value randomly we are choosing -500 to 500 value. That is why from left hand to right hand we are getting these circles, like that -300 to 270. From this position to this position we are getting position like that. Okay, so this is x and this is y. We are giving random value -500 to 500 for x and -300 to 270 for y also. Okay, then that cursor, our position will move to some random position, and then pen down. It's again pen is ready for drawing. So after completing this, it will repeat the for loop. It will go to the first step again. In that step we know that we are changing the color, and after changing the color, begin fill and drawing a circle, a random circle with a random size, and again pen up and go to some other position and again pen down and repeat the step like that. Okay, same step is repeating, and in each step it is drawing some other circle with different color. Okay, I think it is clear to you. That is, we are drawing many circles with randomly choosing colors. Okay, that's about this video. I think you are happy with this class. Anyway, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.